Hi, my name is Rick Balkin, and I'm a professor for EDRS 601, Educational Statistics 1. I'm going to give you a bit of a web tour here of my class, and also want to show you not just the class that the nomination is for the Paragon Award, Fall 2018, but also highlight a little bit of what's new since the course revision for Spring 2019. So let's give it a look. So you'll notice in the syllabus that I value course interaction. As a matter of fact, what I often tell students is that interaction is crucial. How do I know? How do they know that? Well, I mentioned interaction is crucial. I encourage students to participate in daily discussions, read posts by me and all other students, and to ask questions and participate. I emphasize in my instructional style and philosophy, which is quite extensive, that Blackboard is not their instructor, I am, and that I'm a person, and that I'm aware of them, and that they're aware of me. I try to provide them with some tips in negotiating successfully in an online class, and emphasize that interaction is crucial. You'll see this several times mentioned, and you'll even see that when they take their syllabus quiz, they end up identifying this theme of interaction being crucial. Um, what I often find is that students in a statistics class come in with a lot of anxiety. And so I try to alleviate that by saying interaction is normal, it's also important. It's an important part of the class. I have a variety of assignments, and assignments are group work. And I even encourage students to work in groups to complete homework assignments, but that exams are going to be done individually, and I even highlight that here. This is not a self-paced course. Each week builds on another, but I also provide an opportunity for synchronous instruction using Adobe Connect with webinars. And so students have the opportunity to interact with me through the webinars. So what happens here is that through the course announcements, each week I highlight what students are going to do each week. And I even say, welcome to week 3, welcome to week 4. I tell them when I return assignments, and I always greet them as my stats prodigies. I try to be upbeat and provide them with a positive message that they're going to be successful in this course. And so you'll often see greetings stats prodigies, greetings stats prodigies. Hey, greetings stats prodigies. Each week I do a webinar. A lot of students come to the webinar and participate synchronously and ask me questions. I highlight study questions and provide an overview of the material that's going to be due, but I also provide a link to the webinar afterwards so that students who cannot log in synchronously can still view the material, and it often helps them with their assignments. Each section of the course is divided into a module, and so you can go into a module and you can see videos of me, you can see tutorials. I have a syllabus quiz in the first week. I place the assignments in the modules. And then they can see video overviews of the assignments, and so you can come in here.
For the purposes of this class, we're going to focus on 4 scales of measurement.
And see a video overview of the material that's being presented that I developed. The overviews are also available on my personal website. So students can go to balkinresearchmethods.com and click on my research methods and statistics and still see the material. This is my material that I also post, and so the website has received over 21,000 hits, and actually I received an award for this website by the Association for Counselor Education and Supervision for the tutorials and instruction that I provide free to counselor education students and the public. I received that award in, I believe, 2011, called the Counseling Vision and Innovation Award. In addition to tutorials and lectures, we also have discussions. I check the discussions daily. In fall 2018, we had over 70 posts among 15 students. 12 students participated in the discussions. As far as posting a question, you'll also see I'm sorry, I said 15 students, 19 students that were in the class. There were 48 total posts, and just to introduce yourself. So students are meeting each other and they're interacting with each other, which I thought was great. It's not just one post and gone, but they continue to talk with each other, and I think that that's a great atmosphere for online learning. I also include a midterm exam, a final project. Everything is submitted through Blackboard. They never submit anything through email. And I do want to show you a couple updates that I've made since the fall semester. Whenever you log on to the course, you log on directly to the announcements page. It's the first thing that you see. There's a Getting Started section, which highlights students going into the course introduction and the syllabus quiz and introducing themselves, and also providing student resources. The modules are the same, but all the videos now are on YouTube. And so when you click on a module, you also see it transcribed.
For the purposes of this class, we're going to focus on 4 scales of measurement.
So that's a brief tour of the of the Blackboard course for the Paragon Award, and I've also provided links and examples in my materials, and I thank you for the opportunity to be nominated and apply for this award. Thank you so much.